everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this geometry problem. Here is a triangle which is right triangle ABC, and here base is x power 2, height is x power 3, and hypotenuse is AC, which is x power 4. We have to find the value of the x. Now we know that a Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Now, when we use this identity, here is hypotenuse means that AC square is equal to base square means that BC square plus height square means that AB square, which implies AC square means that x power 4 whole square is equal to base square. Base square here is BC means that x power 2 bracket power 2 plus AB means that x power 3 bracket power 2. Now we know that a power n bracket power m, it is equal to a power n times m. We use this identity, we get x power 4 times 2, it become 8, is equal to x power 2 times 2, it become 4, plus x power 3 times 2, it become 6. Now, in the next step, we can write it as x power 8 can be break down as 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, it become 8. X power 4 plus x power 6 can be break down in terms of 4. We can write it as 4 plus 2. Now we know that a power n plus m, it is equal to a power n times a power m. On using this identity, our left hand side will become x power 4 times x power 4 is equal to our right hand side will become x power 4 plus x power 4 times x power 2. Now we can write it as x power 4 times x power 4 minus, when we shift this right hand side to left hand side, it will become x power 4 minus x power 4 times x power 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take out x power 4 from each of this term out. We get x power 4 times x power 4 minus 1 minus x power 2 is equal to 0. Now here are two terms. First term is x power 4 and second term is x power 4 minus 1 minus x power 2. Now on equating both terms to 0, we get x power 4 is equal to 0, or x power 4 minus 1 minus x power 2 is equal to 0, which implies it gives us x is equal to 0, which is not possible because a length cannot negative. We reject this condition and our only condition remains is x power 4 minus x power 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can write it as x power 4, we can write it as x power 2 bracket power 2 minus x power 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step, suppose that u is equal to x power 2. We substitute x power 2 is equal to u. This equation will become u bracket power 2 minus u minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies u square minus u minus 1 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. By quadratic formula, we know that u will become u is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. And using this identity value of abc, we get u is equal to minus b means that minus times minus 1 plus minus square root of b square means that minus 1 square minus 4 times a means 1 and c means minus 1 divided by 2 times a means that 2 times 1. which implies u is equal to minus time minus it become plus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus time minus it become plus 4 divided by 2 times 1 it become 2, which implies u is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 4 plus 1 it become 5 divided by 2. Here are two values of u. First is u is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and second is u is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But u is equal to x square. On substituting the value of u, we get x square is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and x square is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, which this term is negative and square of any term cannot be negative. Thus we can reject this condition, and we have only terms is x square is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. But we have to only find the value of the x. Now in the next step, our value of x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, which implies x is equal to square root of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 and minus square root of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. This is negative. We can reject its value. X is equal to minus square root of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. This is rejected. Our only value of x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and it is whole square root. This is the required value of the x which satisfy our given figure. If you are new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.